Hey everybody, Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guide here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I got just kind of a quick little emergency update that's going to impact this weekend and next weekend. We have literally hundreds of thousands of people coming in to see a set of shows by the K-pop band BTS. Yes, they're here in Las Vegas, going to be doing a total of 4 shows in Las Vegas at Allegiant Stadium this Friday and Saturday on the 8th and 9th of April, Friday and Saturday on the 15th and 16th. So the thing that's up there is that though the venue will not require proof of vaccination, the venue being Allegiant Stadium, though the venue will not require proof of vaccination or negative COVID-19 tests for entry, per updated Clark County health guidelines, the organizers behind the band are opting for the added precaution of masking when not actively eating or drinking. So everybody attending that concert the next 2 weekends will be required to wear masks. Now, that's a big thing in Korea. Everybody wears masks pretty much in Korea right now. That's just generally what everything's going in. This is a Korean K-pop band that's coming in, incredibly popular. But so that's the thing that's going to be in. If you are planning on attending BTS Permission to Dance on Stage tour here in Las Vegas at Allegiant Stadium, that you will be required to wear masks, please be aware, be ready, and enjoy the concert. That's basically the announcement that I have, and I want to pass on to make sure that everybody knows. So be prepared and come into Las Vegas to enjoy it. Now, the rest of Las Vegas, there is no mask mandate. The suggestions are is that if you are fully vaccinated here in Las Vegas, masks are not required. If you are not vaccinated, masks are strongly suggested if you are in crowds, but there is no mandate for that. However, for this one presentation by the K-pop band BTS, in that case, masks will be required at Allegiant Stadium for those 4 concerts. Anyway, that's what it goes. Again, this is Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guide, with all sorts of news, hints, tricks to make your travel here to Las Vegas better and more memorable. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.